What if I told you the secret to Forex isn't buried in complex algorithms or whispered in elite trading circles? It's hiding in plain sight. I'm Alfred Mugo, and years ago, I sat exactly where you are now, staring at charts that looked like chaotic spiderwebs, drowning in YouTube tutorials that promised easy profits but delivered confusion. I lost sleep, money, and confidence, convinced trading was a language I'd never speak. Then, I discovered something so simple, it felt like cheating. A strategy that doesn't require fancy indicators, sleepless nights, or a finance degree. A strategy that survived market crashes, geopolitical chaos, and the rise of AI trading bots. And today, I'm handing it to you. Not as a guru, but as someone who's crawled through the trenches of failure to find this light. This isn't another strategy video. This is a lifeline for anyone drowning in analysis paralysis. Anyone who's ever thought, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. Because here's the truth. Trading isn't about outsmarting the market. It's about listening to it. Let me show you how a single concept, the break and retest, unlocked everything for me. How a gold chart from 2022 became my Rosetta Stone, revealing patterns so clear I wondered why I'd ever overcomplicated things. So if you're ready to trade with clarity instead of clutter, to replace guesswork with grounded logic, and to finally understand what those charts are really saying, let's begin. The market as a living entity. Imagine the Forex market as a living, breathing entity, a sprawling metropolis pulsing with energy. Every price move is like a heartbeat, every candlestick a snapshot of the market's mood. In this vibrant ecosystem, support and resistance aren't mere lines drawn on a chart. They represent critical thresholds that define where the market finds its footing or faces its challenges. Picture support as the rock-solid foundation of an ancient fortress, absorbing pressure and giving stability, while resistance stands as an unyielding barrier testing every push forward. This dynamic interplay sets the stage for every trade, with each breakthrough rewriting the market's rules. Unpacking the break and retest strategy. The break and retest strategy acts as a master key to these market secrets. Visualize it as a high-speed pursuit where the market bursts through a barrier, like a car breaking through a blockade, only to swing back and confirm that the new level is real. This strategy isn't about wild guessing. It's a deliberate dance between volatility and validation. When the price shatters a level, you pause and watch as it retraces its steps. This return isn't a fluke, but a deliberate test, a moment where the market confirms that the old barrier has transformed into a new support or resistance zone. It's an elegant method that balances risk and reward, guiding you with a clear, visual cue to enter or exit a trade. Exploring the 2022 XAUUSD chart. Diving into a historic chart like the 2022 XAUUSD is like stepping into a time capsule of market behavior. Focusing on the H1 timeframe, you encounter an orchestra of price movements where each candle captures an entire hour of market life. Here, every breakout and every retest is not random, but part of an intricate narrative. The chart reveals dramatic moments, a breakout in March that redefines resistance, a gentle retest in July that reinforces a new level, and each instance teaches you something new about market psychology. This exploration turns raw data into a vivid story, inviting you to decode the language of the market one candlestick at a time. Entry strategies, finding your moment. When the market makes a bold move by breaking through a long-held barrier, the true test comes when it circles back to validate that move. This is where your entry strategy comes into play. You might opt for a bold entry, diving in right as the breakout closes, fueled by the adrenaline of the surge. Alternatively, a more cautious approach involves waiting for the retest to provide a clear signal, a sturdy pin bar, or a powerful engulfing candle that confirms the market's conviction. Another technique is setting a buy stop just above the breakout level, allowing you to step in automatically once conditions are met. Each method offers its own set of advantages, and by experimenting with these, you tailor your approach to fit your personal trading style and risk tolerance. Why the H1 timeframe works best. The H1 timeframe strikes the perfect balance between detail and clarity. Fast-paced 5-minute charts can be overwhelming with their rapid fluctuations, while daily charts might smooth over critical nuances. In contrast, the H1 chart offers an ideal middle ground. Every candle represents an hour's worth of market activity, giving you enough data to understand both short-term volatility and longer-term trends. This time frame provides a clearer picture of both breakouts and retests, allowing you to observe the market's rhythm without getting lost in noise. It's like having a steady companion guiding you through the market's ups and downs, ensuring you don't miss the subtle cues that make or break a trade. Building a trading mindset through backtesting. Beyond the technical aspects, mastering any strategy requires the right mindset. Backtesting on a demo account is not just about refining your technique, it's about cultivating discipline and patience. By meticulously replaying past market scenarios on the 2022 XAUUSD chart, you learn to recognize patterns and develop intuition. Record every trade. Note the date, the entry price, the exit strategy, and the outcome. This process transforms each trade into a lesson, highlighting what works and what needs adjustment. With each backtest, your confidence grows and your decision-making becomes more deliberate, paving the way for consistent, thoughtful trading. Chart analysis techniques. Dig deeper into your chart analysis by employing additional techniques to enhance your understanding. Look at volume indicators. Observe the length and shape of wicks, and consider the context of surrounding candlesticks. Each element of the chart can provide clues about the market's next move. Combining these insights with the break and retest strategy allows you to build a more complete picture of the market dynamics. Use these techniques to confirm your analysis and to spot early signs of potential reversals or breakthroughs. This comprehensive approach helps you refine your entries and exits, ensuring you're not just reacting to market moves, but anticipating them. Risk management essentials. No strategy is complete without a strong risk management plan. It's crucial to define your risk parameters before entering any trade. Decide on the percentage of your capital you're willing to risk and set stop-loss orders accordingly. By managing your risk, you protect yourself from unexpected market swings. This discipline ensures that even if a trade doesn't go as planned, your losses remain controlled. Incorporate risk management into your overall strategy by regularly reviewing and adjusting your approach based on market conditions. A well-managed trade is often more profitable in the long run than a series of high-risk, high-reward moves. Psychological resilience in trading. Trading isn't solely about technical skills, it's also about mental strength. The emotional roller coaster of breakouts, retests, and market volatility can test your resolve. Developing psychological resilience means accepting that losses are part of the learning process. Cultivate a mindset where each trade, whether a win or a loss, is an opportunity to improve. Techniques such as meditation, keeping a trading journal, and setting realistic goals can help you maintain focus and composure. Building this resilience ensures that you remain level-headed during turbulent times and make decisions based on logic rather than emotion. Continuous learning and adaptation. The market is always evolving, and so should your strategies. Embrace continuous learning by staying curious and open to new techniques. Review past trades regularly to identify areas for improvement. Engage with the material critically. Ask yourself what worked, what didn't, and why. Adapt your strategy as market conditions change, ensuring that you remain agile and responsive. This commitment to learning not only refines your approach, but also builds a deeper understanding of market behavior. Over time, this dedication to continuous improvement transforms you from a beginner into a seasoned trader with a finely honed skill set. Embracing the trading journey. Every trade is a chapter in your ongoing trading journey. As you analyze each breakout and retest, remember that you're not merely executing transactions, you're engaging in a dynamic process of discovery and growth. Patience and persistence are your greatest allies. Embrace the lessons that come from both success and failure, and allow each experience to sharpen your trading acumen. Over time, your ability to interpret the market's signals will become second nature, empowering you to trade with both confidence and clarity. Final thoughts. As you step back from your charts and reflect on the journey, recognize that mastering the break and retest strategy is about much more than just a technical method. It's about developing a holistic trading mindset. Every chart you study, every trade you analyze, and every lesson you learn builds toward a greater understanding of the market. One of the most powerful tools in your trading arsenal is a well-maintained trading journal. Recording every trade isn't simply a routine, it's a transformative habit that can turn everyday experiences into valuable insights. In your journal, document the specifics of each setup, the date, entry and exit points, the market conditions, and even your emotional state at the time. This detailed record not only helps you understand what works and what doesn't, but also allows you to identify patterns in your decision-making process. With every entry, you're creating a roadmap of your trading evolution, a personalized guide that shows you where you've succeeded and where adjustments are needed. Trust the process, refine your approach, and let the rhythm of the market guide you. As you diligently journal your trades, you'll start to see recurring themes and subtle signals that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. This self-analysis is crucial because every setback is a stepping stone to success, and each recorded trade is a lesson in disguise. The act of writing down your trades forces you to step back and objectively evaluate your decisions, building a clearer, more confident trading strategy over time. Stay dedicated, keep practicing, and remember that every moment, every trial and misstep serves as a vital part of your learning journey. I'm Alfred Mugo, inviting you to transform complexity into clarity, one thoughtful trade at a time. Embrace journaling as an essential part of your routine and let your passion for learning drive you to new heights. Enjoy the journey, knowing that every entry in your trading journal is a testament to your growth and commitment to excellence.